So as you can see, I have a ton of Microsoft Rewards points. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a Microsoft Rewards points hack. No jailbreak or computer needed, guys. This actually works. It's super insane. I can't even believe it, guys. So if you use Microsoft Rewards and you want to get some free points, and I'm talking a substantial amount, then I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So just keep watching the video till the end, guys, and it's going to work. This is super insane, and I haven't had any problems with it whatsoever. So yeah, guys, if this opportunity is something that you're interested in, keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. Guys, so as you can see, I have a ton of Microsoft Rewards points. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a ton completely for free, guys. So this actually works. It's super insane. So just keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. Alright, so what we need to do, guys, is get on our browser and we're just going to go ahead and go to Google. Alright, so once you are on Google, guys, what you need to do is just go ahead and go to this website. Now, unfortunately, my internet did go down, so let me just reconnect to that. Hold on a second, guys. Alright, so now that we're reconnected, what you want to do is go ahead and go over to this website. I don't know what's going on with the internet right here. Let me just try to fix it. Hold on a second. It must just be the little section I'm in. But anyways, guys, once you're on Google, go to the search bar and you just want to type in ZooMods. So let me just do that right here. And as you can see, it brings up this website. Alright, so this is the website. So once you are on this website, guys, what we need to do is go to the search bar and we literally just need to type in Microsoft Rewards. So as you can see, it says Microsoft Rewards mod. Press on that and it's going to start to download. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out because this actually works. It's super insane and I haven't had any problems with it whatsoever. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it because Microsoft Rewards is pretty cool, but unfortunately they make you pay and that is just nonsense. So if you do not want to pay, guys, then use my app right here. I got unlimited Microsoft Rewards points, and it is super cool. So I hope you guys liked the video. Definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out about this method. It actually works. I'm going to see you guys in a future video, and peace out.